storm coming, and I'm looking for some place to stop because the lightning is huge and in front of me. I will show it to you. So I don't know where to stop. Well, I don't. At least some emergency stop, but it's nothing like that over here. And the wind is so strong, it's wiggling my car all over the places. So hopefully we'll be everything okay, but I'm looking for the rest area, but it's nothing like that for many miles already. So the dark like night in front of me, and I'm going right straight into it. So hopefully I will find some shelter, because I can see the cars, they go opposite me, so they went through this. But I don't want to take any chances. I already have few yesterday and the day before. So okay, I will talk to you later. Wish me luck. Bye.